Racing just is started. We have kicked the can. First to show quickness at the start. Olajuwon is down on the inside and on the outside. Elusive win. Sulong Pinoy. Ikaw ha. While seeing Lorky is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have kicked the can. Sulong Pinoy is on the outside. Elusive win getting the wide strip as they make the first turn. Down on the inside is Olajuwon. Ikaw ha, while seeing Lorky is still racing in less than as they swing down the back. We have kicked the can, maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Olajuwon in second, alongside third comes Sulong Pinoy. Then next online, Elusive Wind. Ikaw ha, while seeing Lorky is still racing in less. Back to the leader. We have kicked the can by our head. About to throw the challenge now on the outside is Sulong Pinoy in the middle portion. Olajuwon. Ikaw ha, now moving up to take fourth. Then comes Elusive Wind and seeing Lorky, and they are now entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Sulong Pinoy by our length and a half. Down on the inside is Kick the Can. Olajuwon is down in third with about 100 meters of the race. We have Sulong Pinoy now by about 6 lengths. And finally, Sulong Pinoy second. Kick the Can, Olajuwon. Ikaw ha, Elusive Wind and seeing Lorky.
So, yun din, yung outstanding oil na Llamado na si Sulong Pinoy.